Good morning, and how are you today, my fellow winemakers? I hope you're having a great day. Today I am making a lettuce wine. Wonderful, brilliant, fantastic, light, summerish lettuce wine. This wine is awesome, it is brilliant, and there's a bit of a story along with this lettuce wine, which I'll tell you as we progress. You know me, I like to keep my wines as simple and as basic and as tasty as I can. So for this recipe, we need 3 lettuces. I'm using iceberg lettuces because it's what the shop had, and you can use any type you like, homegrown, shop bought, Kos, iceberg, you name it, as long as it's lettuce, red lettuce, green lettuce, white lettuce. First thing we want to do is slice the lettuce into nice little chunks, and whilst we slice the lettuce, I will tell you a bit of a story. Now, over here on the island of Orkney, the local charity employed a well-being officer, and she wrote a statement to the police stating that Happy Homestead, this channel that makes wine, doesn't grow enough salad on their channel. That's right, she wrote a statement to the police criticising and blaming this winemaking channel for not growing enough salad. It's an official statement, we've seen it, and boy, did my solicitors and legal team laugh at her statement so much. Fortunately for her, it didn't go to court because it got thrown out, natural reasons, but they would have had a field day when it came to cross-examination. So she, this well-being officer, claimed we didn't grow enough salad. So there's a poll down below, and if you want me to grow some lettuce on video and film it growing, I can do. If that's the nature of the channel where you, the viewers, want to take it, I can certainly grow some lettuce for you. And once your lettuce is all sliced and diced, you want to throw it into a really large saucepan. On top of your 3 sliced and diced lettuces, you want to pour in 250 grams of raisins. Slightly chopped, get all that juice out of them. It does not matter if your raisins have been coated in a type of oil to preserve them. That would melt in the demijohn and it won't affect the end product at all. So pour in your raisins, and now you want to slice and squeeze in the juice of a lemon and throw those brines in as well. It all adds to the citrusy flavour. And pour over 1.4 kilograms of granulated sugar. And now, what we need to do in the bin is pour over 2 litres of boiling water on top of the lettuce and the raisins and the sugar and the lemons, and let it become all lovely dissolved, brilliant, beautiful, wonderful and dissolved. And then we want to bring it to the boil and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. All that lettuce will release its lovely juice and flavour into the sugary solution and the syrup and become divine. Lettuce wine is a great summer's drink. It's light, it's refreshing. It's about 12.5% if you use the 1.4 kilograms. It is beautiful for barbecues and summer weather. And once it's simmered away, I'll be back with you for the rest of the recipe and another bit of the story about that well-being officer. And welcome back. The lettuce has been infusing and simmering with the sugar and the lemon and the raisins for about 20 minutes or so on a slow simmer. It is smelling divine, it is. So what we need to do now is strain the contents through a colander or through a sieve and catch all the lettuce and raisins and lemon and keep the liquid. So whilst I do this now, I will tell you a bit more about that well-being officer. Well, in her statement to the police, she said that some people had donated money to this channel. That's very much true. That's a fact. People have done. Not that many, but some people have. We have a Patreon account where people can subscribe for £1 a month and get exclusive content. Behind the scenes, new recipes, different videos, advanced viewings of recipes that I'm doing. All this wonderful jazz that people can pay £1 for and come and see different things. She took offence to people donating money to us, giving money to us, because we offer exclusive content. Not that much, but we do. We don't make a big deal about this Patreon account. It's down below in the description. It's there if you want to pay £1 and see a load more videos. It's there, but we don't really advertise it by saying come and join our Patreon account. My wife Dee is writing a book all about this whole event, all about the wellbeing officer, all about the local island nurse, her husband, assaulting me in the shop and stalking us in his car. It's all been written down, so if you want exclusive content and read this book, why not come down to Patreon, link is in the description, and see for yourself all the details. Anyway, on with this wine. And with the liquid strained from the lettuce and lemon and raisins, you want to pour in all that lovely golden juice into a clean, sanitised, sterilised demijohn. So grab yourself a funnel and pour it in. Oh yes, and that is looking brilliant it is. So what you want to do now is pour in some cold water and bring that level up to the shoulders of the demijohn. And now we want to add the wine yeast. I'm using a general purpose wine yeast and also adding some yeast nutrients to help that wonderful lettuce liquid do its thing and ferment to the best of its ability. So put in your wine yeast and watch it ferment. So put your yeast in, insert an airlock, watch it ferment vigorously over the next few days, then top it up, and don't forget to vote in that poll to tell me if I should grow more salad. But to be honest, this channel is not about salad. It's about homebrew, it's about wine. And if you want to watch another winemaking video, go to this one, and I'll see you all really soon now. Bye bye.